The licor.org website was designed to test the correct operation of your antivirus, anti-malware software. Each test will open up a new browser window. You may wish to try each test systematically. Ideally, all tests should be blocked by your anti-malware defenses. If a blank window loads, then it likely was not detected. In this case, the antivirus did not detect the threat. The licor test file is a computer file that was developed by the European Institute for Computer Antivirus Research, a computer antivirus research organization, CARO, to test responses of Avenue programs. When detecting the licor file, a competent Avenue engine will respond in the same manner as if it found a harmful virus. You can download it on licor.com. Once downloaded, run your Avenue scanner. It should detect at least the file licor.com. Good scanners will detect the virus in the single zip archive and maybe even in the double zip archive. Once detected, the scanner might not allow you any access to the files anymore. You might not even be allowed by the scanner to delete these files. This is caused by the scanner, which puts the file into quarantine. The test file will be treated just like any other real virus-infected file. Read the user's manual of your Avenue scanner what to do, or contact the vendor, manufacturer of your Avenue scanner. The following table contains static HTML pages with known malicious content, based on the Metasploit framework. The exploits contain a non-malicious payload which under Windows will execute calc.txt, the inbuilt calculator, if your browser is vulnerable. Your anti-malware software should prevent you accessing these pages. If not, there is something wrong with your anti-malware solution, or the vulnerability trigger for a specific exploit is not specific enough for anti-malware to detect.
Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.